Hello, welcome to the channel, and on today's video we're going to be going through very briefly this before I take it away over Christmas and give it a thorough review. We're going to do a little unboxing of this, the Conqueco, I guess that's right, Conqueco portable coffee machine, and this as well, which is an accompanying travel case. Okay, so you have to buy them separately, and the reason I got this was because it does coffee grounds as you'd expect, but it also does the Nespresso pods as well on the go. So the idea is, when I go and visit family at Christmas, I can take this away with me. If we're staying in a hotel, put it in here, put some espresso pods in there, and have a decent coffee in a hotel. So let's go over the box then. It's really not much about it, really. Just a bit about it. So kind of like the model number, the rated power, the water capacity, 80 millilitres. And we're just going to see that how much shots you get out when I go through the review. So around about a kilogram. And then you've got the product size there. Overall, yeah, not bad looking box at all. You can pick this up for, it was £120 on Amazon, but they will always have a code. If it's not in the sale, it'll have a discount code. I got a 20% off voucher for that. And then this is separate, as I said, but this will set you around about £30. But again, you can probably get this in the sale. I missed out on it on the sale. It was currently about 26, so I ended up paying £30 for this case. Okay, so I'm going to get this stabilized now, and then we'll go through unboxing this. Okay, so I'm opening it up, dead easy. There we go. At the back there, there's your instruction manual. And then here, oh, look at this. This is all right, this. There's the machine itself. I think, no. Charging cable, look at that in a second. So the cable, yeah, it's a USB type C. It's quite thin, if I'm honest. Nothing too spectacular. It's about 1 meter long. So not too bad, nothing spectacular, quite thin. Hey ho, just a USB-C cable. And then the machine, here it is. Look at this, lovely drawstring bag. That's a nice one. So Conqueco portable electric coffee maker, coffee on the go. Beautiful material. This is kind of almost like a velvety type material. And then I'll just do it on the top. And then here it is. Personally, I think that looks fantastic. Lovely looking machine. So on the top there, quite a grippy texture. It feels all metallic. And then obviously this is going to be plastic, and I'll work out how to take it off in a bit. And then you have your control panel, which is all rubber. So okay, this is £120, but already it feels premium. And as we said, with the weight, about a kilogram. It's nice. We have their logo on the top. Oh, there we go. We're going to put the water in, I guess. Oh, okay. So pull it out. And then we've got this cup here. There we go. Twist that, and then I think, there we go. Okay, that's where you're going to put your Nespresso pod into there. And then you're going to do that up like that, and then put your water in and do that. I'll go through the instructions on how to actually work it, and then we'll quickly pull a shot. So here's the manual then. We've been through most of it. English is first, so we're going to go through that, and then each component, fine. And then page 1. So there's all the bits, put them all together, put the water in, press your button. That's about as much instructions, and then a bit of cleaning and maintenance. Okay, so the process is, after reading the manual, really easy, as we've already seen. Pull that off, unclip that, unscrew that, and then you're going to put your Nespresso pod in there. Reverse the process. That. Pop this in until it clips. Take the top off, and then we're going to put a little bit of water in there. Apparently there is a maximum fill line in there somewhere, but it's quite difficult to see, so I won't show you that. Then put the lid on. So once we've got our water in there and our Nespresso pod in there, I've worked out here, can you see there's two slots. There's one big long slot and one short slot. If I line that bit up with the long slot, it goes on. But if I line it up with the smaller pot slot, it stays on there, so we can extract our coffee down there. So just going to turn it on. There. It beeps to tell you that it's turned on. Let's just get a better angle. And then if I press this extraction button, and does it? Yeah, okay, so it stops itself. That's good. It's very tight to the top. So I've just tried the shot that I pulled. I think it just extracts the amount of water you put in it. I'm not entirely sure. But what I've done now is I've just packaged it all up, because now we're going to be going back down on here. We're going to be going through the case. So as I said, I bought this separately. £30 this cost me, so I'm hoping it's good. So here it is. So initially, it feels really good quality, actually. Conqueco, espresso at your fingertips, Conqueco barista. Check that out. Right, that's a solid handle. Okay, so first up, it feels like it's very well made. Black with a nice red going on the side and a nice branded zips. Lovely. There we go. Okay, so you have space in there for your Nespresso pods and the space for the machine itself. So let's get it in its bag. Like that. Pop it in. And then let's see how we can work out 2, 4, 5 Nespresso pods. Guess they go in there like that, do they? Can do. Yeah, just lobbing them in like that is a bit loose. You're going to be putting them into the foam insert that goes in there. So there we go. Obviously, I haven't got any water in it, but that's the idea. When you go to a hotel, you're going to pull out an espresso and you're going to fill it up with the hot water, probably from the hotel coffee kettle. Excellent. I think if you're going to get this, it's a really good idea to get this bag here. I don't think it's going to, let's give it a shake. Let's see if any of the pods have come out. No, okay, so they've just gone at an angle like that. I should think they're going to stay in there nice and safe, and it's definitely going to protect this. And you have a nice thing up there for your cable. That's going to be put in there for charging it up when you're out and about. So there we go. That was my look at this in the Conqueco espresso machine with Nespresso pods, and also a look at the accompanying travel case as well. Do subscribe, because I'm going to be doing a full review, and I'm probably going to be doing loads of tips on this, on how to get the best espresso out of this. We'll see. We'll give it through its test, and I'll do a full review hopefully very soon. Please do subscribe. Till the next video. Bye-bye.